Gabe, what in the world are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to get through these walls.
Why are you trying to get through the church walls?
Well, I'm trying to do like what Joshua did in the Old Testament. I mean, he walked around Jericho with a couple of trumpets and his friends, and he knocked down some walls. I need to get inside there.
Well, why do you need to get inside? We're leaving for a retreat. The buses are waiting for you.
But tell you the truth, I forgot my sleeping bag and my Bible. I'm really sorry.
You forgot your sleeping bag and your Bible?
I did. I'm sorry. I did.
Okay, well look, we gotta go. But as long as you have your flip-flops, your musket, your cliche Asian hair, you'll be fine.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.